In this video, I'll walk you step by step on how to use the Payments portal in your SimpleGym account. The Payments portal tells gym owners about every payment that's been run through your account, lets you issue refunds, as well as accept retail and other one-time payments. Let's get started. First, visit your account's payment history by clicking Payments and then Payments History. This will show you a list of all recent transactions, including both membership subscriptions and retail sales that have been run through your account. You'll see the name of the buyer, the type of purchase, the amount, the time, and the payment status. Clicking on the transaction ID will provide the full details of the payment and give you the option to initiate a refund. Now that you've seen your payment history, when you're ready to sell a retail product like a t-shirt or protein powder, collect a drop-in fee, sell a punch card, or any other one-time fee, you'll do that through the Retail Payments tab. First, select the buyer. If you select an existing gym member, their preferred payment method will automatically be charged, saving you the hassle of re-entering the payment information. Or, you can choose Guest Checkout, where you'll need to enter the buyer's payment details. Once you've done that, click the plus sign to add an item and the price. Confirm your tax percentage, confirm the total, and click Checkout. As with all payments accepted through your account, the payment will appear in your payment history and will be incorporated into your dashboard reporting. Now you're ready to accept retail payments, issue refunds, and check on the status of any payments within your SimpleGym account. If you have any questions about the Payments portal, check out our detailed support article, or if you have a question we haven't covered yet, you can ask our team directly by creating a support ticket.